So I shut down my gaming PC. For 30 days straight, I gamed only on the Steam Deck OLED. Handheld, on the couch, while traveling, late at night. No keyboard, no dual monitors, no GPU towers humming on the background. Why? Because I wanted to know, can this little device actually replace a full gaming rig? Not just technically, but realistically. And at first it felt weird, cause my muscle memory kept reaching for a mouse and keyboard that weren't there. But the setup, surprisingly smooth. And the biggest plus, I could play it anywhere. I didn't start small either. I dove right into Elden Ring, Cyberpunk 2077, and The Witcher 3. And honestly, performance wasn't just good for a handheld, it was solid. I tweaked the TDP, capped the frame rate, and most games run between 40 and 60 FPS with stable temps. Sure, I had to lower a few settings, but that OLED screen, it made even medium settings looks incredible. For most games it didn't feel like a downgrade, it just felt portable. And the Steam Deck isn't just for gaming. I use it to check emails, browse, and take notes. For light productivity is actually enough. You can connect a mouse, keyboard, and monitor with a dock, and jump into full Linux mode if you need to work. But here is catch. If you rely on creative tools, complex file systems, or heavy multitasking, you'll miss the PC fast. I still need a full rig for video editing in DaVinci Resolve. I shoot in 4K and yeah, the Steam Deck just can't handle that. Battery life in handheld mode, it's great. 2-3 hours maximum for AAA games and 4-6 hours for indie titles. It's perfect for me. But storage fills up fast as well. 1 terabyte disappears when you download a few 80 gigabyte games. And if you're playing non-Steam games, you'll need a few tweaks, like launchers and Proton. But even that was fun. I installed Prism Launcher, played Minecraft on deck, and it ran so smooth. Here what really surprised me though, gaming became simpler. No more alt tabbing, no background apps, no obsessing over FPS counters or driver updates. I just picked up the deck and played. Also, game sales. I grabbed so many good games for super cheap, and the OLED screen made cozy indie games feel magical. Funny thing is, I usually ignored indie games on my PC, but on the deck, they are perfect. And somehow I gamed more, because the deck was always with me. So, did it replace my gaming PC? Yes and no. For casual focused single player games, absolutely. The deck OLED made me fall in love with gaming again. But for ultra settings, modding, VR, creative work, my PC isn't going anywhere. The deck isn't a replacement for everyone, but it became my favorite companion device. And honestly, that's probably even more powerful. If you're wondering whether the Steam Deck OLED can replace your gaming PC, maybe the better question is, what do you actually want from your gaming?